OBS Studio recording settings. So if you want to get the best OBS Studio recording settings, then what you need to do is just simply open up your OBS and go with settings, which is here on the bottom right. Once you go with settings, you need to just simply go with the general section and go with the video section. And under your video, you need to have this resolution as 1920 into 1080. And under the output section, you can just simply go with the advanced option under the output and go with recording section. And under the recording format, make sure to select the MP4 option. Just go with the drop down, which is on the right side, and then select the MP4. And you can go with the video encoder and make sure that you've selected Nvidia. And if you scroll down, then you will have the encoder settings. So under the encoder settings, make sure that your rate control is CBR and your bitrate is 1000. Your preset is P5, slow, good quality. You can choose tuning under high quality, and under multipass mode, you need to select 2 passes, and you can choose psycho visual tuning. Once you've done with this, then you can just go with apply, and after that, okay, and your settings will be saved. So these were the best OBS Studio recording settings, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.